Welcome to Upstyle Bros. In this video, I will show you how to allow microphone access on Windows. To do that, go to Settings, press Windows button on keyboard and type Settings. Select the settings to open this page. Here, click Privacy and from the left, select Microphone. Here you can allow access to the microphone. Make sure this option is enabled. Allow apps to access your microphone. And then from below, you can select the apps that can access your microphone. If you don't want any app to access your microphone, uncheck that from here, from the list. For example, if you don't want WhatsApp to access microphone on this device, turn it off. And below we have the setting to allow desktop apps to access your microphone. Make sure to turn it on as well. So to allow access, make sure this main option is turned on and then select the apps that can access microphone from below. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.